孩子补了好几家的数学，成绩还是不稳定吗？或者补习班换了好几家，也没有找到合适的方式。大家好，我是 Andy，也可以叫我静迪。最近我一直在了解多伦多的儿童数学教育，想帮助家长找到更合适的孩子的学习方式。在多伦多最常见的数学补习方式，大家大多听说过酷猫。但其实还有另一种完全不同的模式，比如 MathProject。今天我特别邀请到了 Gloria，她是一名年轻有经验的数学老师。Gloria 之前在 Kuma 工作过，现在在 MathProject 教课，对两种模式都有亲身经历。接下来，Gloria 会和我们聊聊这两种补习方式的不同，以及如何判断哪一种适合你家的孩子。相信对大家有参考意义。I think now it's recording. So, hi, my name is Jindy, and it's so this is Gloria. So, could you brief introduce yourself in Mandarin if you can?
OK，Hello，我的名字是 Gloria，和我现在在 Queen 学计算器科学，和我是在 MathProject 当一个初学的老师。
Okay, thank you, thank you. I think you speak good Mandarin, by the way.
I think like my pronunciation is like okay. It's like I do have like the Northern Chinese accent, but my vocabulary is just very, very lacking.
Okay, I see.
Because
So,
I only speak it with my parents at home. So I only know like the words that are at home. So like kitchen tools and rooms and stuff like that.
but I think that's enough. That's enough. Yeah. So I think we can back to the topic. So I think the first question is that like there are many like map tutoring center in Toronto, like Kumon. So
Mhm.
what do you think like what makes Map Project different?
So for sure, MathProject and Kumon are very, very different. In fact, MathProject actually doesn't even see Kumon as a competitor. Um, MathProject is one-on-one tutoring, and Kumon is a lot of like big groups of tutoring, and it's more like you do a lot of work that yourself at Kumon. So I would say like it's very, very different. It all depends on what you and like your student prefers. So at Math Project, they do a lot of like one-on-one helping. So like they go through every concept with you, making sure that you understand everything along the way. And Kumon, it's really good for self-learning. So if you want your child to have that discipline of doing work and studying every day, like that's also really good. I would say a big difference is the curriculum. So Kumon, they have their own curriculum and they stick to it, and it's pretty good, I would say. The Math Project, they also have their own curriculum for the younger kids, but in high school, they actually follow your students' curriculum at school to help them prepare for school tests because, grades will matter a lot in high school. So they help you by trying to give you practice tests before your real test at school so that you can pass your real test at school. And so Kumon doesn't do that, and their high school curriculum is still okay. I think it's pretty good. But it's that